Audi SQ5 2025 Review. Tech loaded, thrilling, and ready to dominate. Audi SQ5. The high-performance Q5 returns in style. Audi's latest SQ5 is back, and it's making a serious statement. True to the brand's reputation, this new generation is packed with cutting-edge tech and precision engineering, giving it a distinct edge over its German rivals. Oh, and under the hood, a powerhouse of an engine. Buckle up, we're in for a wild ride, Dr. Strangelove style. At a glance. Pros: thrilling engine, superb ride balance, premium build and features. Cons: best enjoyed when pushed hard, occasionally fiddly interior. What's new? This latest Q5 generation, including both the standard SUV and the sleeker Sportback, rides on Audi's premium platform combustion, shared with the A5 and A6. Alongside a reworked chassis and fresh engine options, the software has been given a complete overhaul. Fans of performance will be pleased to see the return of the SQ5 badge. While the previous version toggled between petrol and diesel, this one launches exclusively as a petrol model, and it looks set to stay that way. Specs and performance. The SQ5 comes in either SUV or Sportback form, and Audi keeps things simple with a single high-spec Edition 1 trim. That means it's loaded with premium features, including 21-inch S-Spec wheels, OLED lighting, a panoramic sunroof, a head-up display, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. Under the bonnet sits a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, churning out 362 brake horsepower and 405 pounds FT of torque. The result? A blistering 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just 4.5 seconds and an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Audi has also equipped the SQ5 with its MCV Plus mild hybrid tech, adding an extra 20 brake horsepower boost, plus the ability to coast with the engine off at low speeds. Perfect for stop-start traffic or sneaking out of the house in stealth mode. What's it like to drive? The real star here is that formidable engine. It's impressively versatile, calm and composed when you need it to be, yet effortlessly potent when called upon. The MCV Plus system helps with smooth coasting and stop-start traffic, making urban drives and motorway cruising whisper-quiet and fuss-free. Standard air suspension give the SQ5 an impressive range of ability. Even on 21-inch wheels, the ride remains composed, cushioned enough to handle rough roads while still refined enough to keep things comfortable. And that's despite its Audi Sport credentials. But switch it into dynamic mode, and the SQ5 transforms. The V6 roars to life, delivering a rich, exhilarating soundtrack and some serious punch. It may not be a full-blown RS model, but its performance is properly strong. There's a hint of lag at low revs if you're in the wrong gear, but overall, power delivery is smooth and progressive. Here's the thing, the SQ5 eggs you on. With so much accessible performance, you feel compelled to push it to the limit to unlock its full potential. I call it the Golf, our principle, a car that's fast, capable, and well-balanced, but best enjoyed when you're driving with real intent. Make no mistake, the SQ5 is seriously quick and effortlessly covers ground at speed. But to truly experience its thrill-inducing side, you might find yourself stepping into the realm of excess on the road. What's the interior like? I'll get bored of writing about this interior design eventually. If you've been keeping tabs on Audi's recent models, you'll notice this SQ5 shares a lot of interior design with the A5 and A6, as well as the electric Q6. A big digital stage infotainment display, paired back instruments, crisp graphics, and a hell of a lot of gloss black are all included. Audi's holding on to haptic steering wheel buttons too, which is annoying. Audi Sport bits are few and far between, which is a shame. Bespoke seats with some great stitching are the key differentiator here, but at least they're damn good ones. Doesn't matter if you choose the Sportback or SUV version. Rear legroom and headroom are both good, and you can easily fit 5 in. The standard sunroof helps remove some of the dark gloom if you sit in the back, and thanks to a slidable rear seat bench, you can adjust the amount of legroom or boot space. Before you buy, just looking at the price tag makes your eyes water. Right up until you study the competition. a BMW X3M50 and Mercedes-AMG GLC43 both end up clocking in at around the same price for a similar amount of performance. Here, the SQ5 arguably has more kit for the money compared to the BMW and manages to be a smidge quicker and ride a bit better than the AMG. Verdict: Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 is the Golf are for those a little higher up the corporate ladder and have more hobbies and/or kids. It's properly fast thanks to a fabulously flexible engine, but can do the day-to-day stuff without being a headache. It's impressive, but being oh-so balanced still makes it a jack-off-all-trades when something like a Mekong or high-performance X3 provide a touch more athleticism and thrill. Though, the 2025 Audi SQ5 delivers an exhilarating blend of power and precision, thanks to its twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing 362 brake horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive, it rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, ensuring effortless acceleration in any condition. The MHEV Plus mild hybrid system add an extra power boost while enabling fuel-saving coasting at low speeds. Standard air suspension enhances ride comfort and handling, adapting seamlessly from smooth cruising to dynamic cornering. Whether on the motorway or twisting back roads, the SQ5 balances refinement with raw performance, making it a standout in the performance SUV segment.